Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome on tours. Hope you're all doing well. We're still in Benidorm. We're going to take a little walk around the old town. So you haven't seen it, let's see what one. You know the vibe.
We had football shots the other day.
I'd probably say Old Town is my favourite part of Benidorm. I do like the more historic, the little windy roads, all the little cafes. Definitely feels like you're in Spain when you're in Old Town. Do comment below if you agree. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Welcome on Tours and we go all over trying to show you the best experiences. We like to do price breakdowns, nightlife and everything in between. So do check out the content and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hype. So it's really busy. You get a lot of people that live here full time, so it's a mixture of tourists, and you've got obviously the locals and a lot of expats. It smells really nice. I can smell all the bakeries. Getting ready for the day. All the little restaurants opening up. It's nice and shady in this bit as well. What are those over there? We saw those yesterday, didn't we? I don't know if it's like sponges or...
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We're being really silly and it's something really obvious.
Not obvious to us.
Yeah, not obvious to us. Yeah, I keep getting wafts of like caramel and like pastry. Really nice.
It's lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah. So you've got a shopping centre just above. And I think it's market day today, isn't it? Or is it Wednesday? Might be Wednesday, there's market day as well. So if you do like your shopping, there's plenty of places to go. You've got all your good meats there. Look at all of that. Oh yeah, it's really good, isn't it? Oh, you got your little
Snacks.
cheese. Everything you need. So you got like little side roads as well which go off it. Toy shop, no candy shop. Loads of candy shops in this area. Loads of different candy shops. Nice
Empanadas.
Yeah, really good. Got some glasses, big one there. Right, they'll come in too, sounds like they're doing some work, so sorry for the noise everyone.
Let's go round the side.
Yeah, let's go round. Right, so if we go down here, this is the tapas valley, is it? We've got like the restaurant outside. Not as busy down here.
So it's 18 degrees in the shade on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels warmer than yesterday, doesn't it?
I think it's just less breeze.
Yeah, the wind isn't as strong.
But yeah, still got a jacket on.
Still got trousers. Arms sort of covered. Yeah, T-bone there, got your like meats and stuff. It's just what we ate at.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, so we had a really nice meal here the last time we went to Benidorm. Hello, you alright? Good morning. So yeah, if you want some more authentic food, get some nice food here. And we got a bottle included, didn't we, which was nice. For a glass.
I can't remember how much the prices nowadays, but it was a while back when we came.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a couple of years. Obviously, things are going to change in that time frame. This one looks like it's just opening. So it's just sort of coming up for midday lunchtime, so a lot of places won't open just yet. I say it definitely feels nicer than yesterday.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go down there and then to the left.
Yeah.
So guys, if you can like, comment, share the video with your family and friends who love coming to Benidorm, and this is our mega trip, so you've got loads of destinations on this trip, 10 destinations, and we're ending up in Portugal in the end, so it's a very exciting time for us. We're out here for 14 nights, so it's going to be good fun.
Little tavern, not open yet. Right, and then it leads you to the lovely beach.
Hola.
Hola.
Ciao.
Oh, I can feel a bit of a breeze. Again, it doesn't feel as cold as yesterday. Yesterday it was a bit more of like a chill to it, wasn't there?
Yeah. Yeah. Still is a little bit fresh. It's nice. It's nice fresh.
Yeah.
We did that a bit fast. We needed to really go back up to the other side, but it's alright. We'll do another video around the other part of Old Town.
Yeah.
So they're making something here. Let me know if you know what they're doing.
They're just fixing the pathway, I don't know.
No idea. Let's get through here. So yeah, more people on the beach today.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah,
Much
people
more
in the
busy.
sea today, a lot more.
Much more busy. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Pardon? Thank you. So yeah, much more people on the beach, enjoying themselves.
Much busier.
Let's have a little look. So yeah, you've got the hotel up on the side there.
Yeah, I still don't think I'd brave the water, but I suppose once you're in, aren't you?
There's a lot of people who come on holiday one time of year, so this is their only chance to get into the sea. Can swim in the sea in England. I don't care how clean they say the water is. We know what the sewage companies are doing. So yeah, this is your only opportunity. You're going to get in the sea, even if it's a bit chilly. I mean, people swim in the sea in England all throughout the year.
Well, we live near where all the lakes are, and there are people doing that in like winter, going swimming still on the lake. So,
on the Cotswold Lakes, there's always people in the water there.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to end the video just down here.
We do brave it.
So let's go down to this bit of the beach, and we'll just end the video down there. So you've got the rock in the background.
Right, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed just our little walk around Old Town. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.